Dear student, class 10, today I am going to discuss about the chapter 8, Democracy of Bangladesh and the election. At first, we have to know what is election. Election is one of the most important founding principle of democracy. In this system, the citizen get the opinion to elect their representative from more than one candidate. Actually, they choose. Uh, uh, they have a freedom to choose a candidate. The election is through secret ballot. The winner in the result of election from the local and national government. They participate in the legislation and administration of the country. In our country, elections are held for Union Parishad, Upazila Parishad, municipality, city corporation, national parliament and presidency. Election creates the bridge between the government and citizens. A country can reap the real benefits of democracy only if the fittest person are elected through a free and fair election. At first, the precondition of election, free and fair, and the candidate have to choose the right person as a representative on behalf of them. Look, the relation between democracy. So we can say, generally speaking, election is a process or system through which the citizen with voting rights of a country can elect their representative. In other words, election is a constitutional process. This process enables the voters of a country to choose their candidate or representative to administer the country. Election are two kinds of direct and indirect election. Direct election, when the citizen elect their representative directly through casting their vote, the election is called direct election. Actually, the voters will go to the polling center and collect the ballot paper from the returning officer or polling officer, and go to and then he or she will go to the secret room, and they cast their votes with the secret ballot box. This is called direct election. And in direct election, in this process, citizens don't elect their representative through casting direct vote. Actually, the process is done in two phases. First, citizens elect their members for an intermediary body through direct voting. The members elect the ultimate representative through their votes. The president and the member of reserved seat for women of the national parliament are elected through indirect process. Now we discuss the relationship between democracy and election. The fundamental aspect of democracy is the election. Very, very important for your MCQ. No democratic system can be imagined without election. There is no other alternative to election in a democratic form of government to run the state. It is very popular concept, democracy, in the world. The election is held in order to elect public representative at different level of government. In the modern democratic form of government, all parts of the country belong to the people. People is the source of power, and people exercise their democratic rights by participating in the election. Actually, democracy will be fruitful when the people participating in election and casting their votes. In this process, the people may elect honest and competent representative on the basis of their evaluation. The government is formed and run by those who are elected with the mandate of the people. So the legal electoral system has relationship with the picking of lawful authority of election and the formation of democratic government. Through electoral process, the people may discard the previous government if they want. Then uh, the previous ruling party, the people don't trust the government or the party that ignore the interest or opinion of the people. It is universal truth when a representative elected by the people's vote, and they when they come to the when he or she will go to their electoral constituency, and they did not know anybody, it is very sorrowness, and it is very painful to the people. The people give a stern reply through the election, and it is democracy. People give a strong reply through the election. The sovereignty of the people is exercised through the election. Look, the system of election in Bangladesh and national parliament. Direct democracy was customary in the city-state of ancient Greece. We know everybody, that is the citizen would directly participate in the, because the size is country is very small, so this type of ruling system is applicable for Greece. But the modern states are big in size with a large population. It is not possible for every citizen to directly participate in the process of governing. That is why the people perform the duty indirectly by electing their representative through enfranchisement. The election is a process through which representative may be elected from the candidates of different parties in order to govern the country on behalf of the people. In other words, the election is a system through which the adult and eligible citizens of the state elect their representative by casting their votes as per their own choice. In almost every country, the election is held by ballot. The citizen who have actually it is without ballot box election will be held. It is without ballot box. It is unimaginary picture. The citizens who have legal rights to vote or enjoy the dignity to cast votes are called voters or electors. Here is a question: who are the voters? All voters in a body are generally termed as the electoral body. The minimum age of Bangladeshi people to give vote, the age limit is 18 or 18 plus. The whole of the country is divided into some electoral constituency. Each constituency elects its representative. The parliament or the legislative assembly is formed with the elected representative. In Bangladesh, the parliamentary election is held at national level. There are two kinds of electoral system in different countries of the world, such as direct election and the indirect election. The electoral system through which the voters cast their votes directly and elect their representative is called direct election, which is held in our country. In Bangladesh, the direct election system is in practice. The indirect election system is an electoral process in which the voters casting their votes directly from a mid-term electoral agency known as electoral college. The electoral college finally elects the representative or the president. The president of the United States of America is elected in this way. It is very important for your MCQ. The total areas of Bangladesh have been divided into 300 constituencies for the electoral convenience. So we can say we have 300 constituencies for the electoral convenience. The Election Commission declared the time for holding election, the election schedule at the same time. Who declared the election schedule? The election commissioner. Election commission declares the time for holding commission. At the time of election, candidates are initially nominated by the political parties. In fact, the candidates get the opportunity of fighting in the election, having nomination from the political parties. Besides, there is a reservation, very important. There is a reservation of 50 representation of women in the parliament. They are divided in proportion of elected constituencies. The election process. The election related activities start immediately after the declaration of election schedule by the election commission. The completion of the voters list, determination of the constituencies, appointments of the returning officer. Actually, who are the returning officer? Government employee or the returning officer. Distribution of the nomination papers, receiving and sorting out of the nomination paper, distribution of the symbols among the candidates, printing out the ballot papers, fixing the polling booths, and making the necessary arrangement. The arrangement includes the hygienic toilet, hygienic room, and electric arrangement will be ensured. Appointing presiding, assistant presiding, and polling officer. Distributing ballot papers, holding election, computing votes, and declaring formally the result are the usual activities of the election commission. That is, all the election related activities are the parts of the election process. The formation of the election commission, its jurisdiction and function. The formation of the election commission in Bangladesh, it is the election commission which is responsible to conduct election. The commission holds election as a separate, independent, unrestricted and neutral institution. Actually, in the section 118 in the Constitution of Bangladesh, election commission there has a proportion or system. There has a system to declare. Countries have a election commission. It is a constitutional body, so it is called a constitutional body. The election commission consists of a chief election commissioner, CEC, and not more than 4 election commissioners. The president appoints the chief and other election commissioner. The chief election commissioner acts as the chairman of the commission. The tenure of the commission 5 years. The commissioners may submit resignation to the president, who appoints the commissioner president, and the commissioner may submit resignation to the president. They shall be removed from their post for insubordination and inability. Jurisdiction and function of the election commission. The election commission makes the voter list and all the necessary arrangement for holding election at the local and national level. If any dispute arises regarding the voter list, the commission will resolve it. The commission holds the election of the Union Council, District Council, City Corporation, Municipality, and National Parliament. The administration assists. It means the executive body of government. The election commission in the discharge of its function. The election commission fixes the boundary of the constituencies, and its decision is final to resolve any dispute regarding the boundary. The election commission appoints the required number of returning polling officers for holding the election. The commission makes the necessary arrangement to elect the president by the members of the parliament as per constitution. The responsibility to sort out the nomination paper rests with the election commission. If any dispute on the sorting out of the nomination paper arises, the decision of the commission is final. The commission holds the by-election. It is very important. When a candidate is died or resigned, then this constituency election commission calls the by-election. In case any dispute arises regarding the eligibility of any member of the parliament, the commission deducts the settlement for the same. The election commission discharges its function in accordance with the constitution and the law. The electoral code of conduct, look, two types to conduct very necessary electoral codes of conduct. The compliance with the electoral rules. All concerned shall comply with the electoral rules and regulation accordingly. The interdiction of payment of any subscription grant to any organization. No candidate shall be entitled to donate, subscribe, or to promise to do so directly, indirectly in his constituency from the date of announcement of the schedule till the day on which voters will cast, and no promise shall be made to undertake any development project in the jurisdiction of the constituency. It will be active or effective the date of announcement of the schedule. The electoral campaign without distinction as to political parties and candidates, all concerned will enjoy equal rights in electoral campaign. No bar to any meeting